storm of fire unleashed. In the Volchansk area of the Karkov region, a Russian Tornado-S multiple launch rocket system delivered a precision strike on a Ukrainian UAV control position. The salvo hit with overwhelming force, communications severed, equipment annihilated, and the control post reduced to smoldering ruins. No escape for HIMARS. Footage captures the moment a missile strike hits a hangar sheltering a Ukrainian HIMARS launcher. Just moments after the system rolls inside, a powerful explosion engulfs the structure. The strike is caught in full clarity, a massive blast that leaves no question about the launcher's fate. In Kharkiv, a T-72B3M tank crew from the Northern Forces Group successfully destroyed enemy fortifications and combat vehicles with highly accurate fire, demonstrating their dominance on the battlefield. Is this explosion proof of the success of Russia's iron projectile? An impressive operation targeting Ukrainian positions in Uspanovka, Dnipropetrovsk region. No shield can save it. A Ukrainian Vampy APKWS or Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System air defense launcher was spotted and destroyed in a swift drone strike. Within moments, the loitering munition locked onto its target and hit with pinpoint precision. A flash, a blast, and the system was gone in an instant. This time, the Russian FPV drone hunt took place in the Sumy region. It was a satisfying operation. Take a look. UAV operators from the 108th Air Assault Regiment successfully destroyed Ukrainian Armed Forces logistics, including vehicles, several BMPs, and artillery systems. From a distance, Ukrainian troops and a lone tank scramble for cover, desperately trying to escape the watchful eye of a Russian drone circling overhead. But their efforts are in vain. Within seconds, an FPV drone locks onto the tank's position and dives with deadly precision. A flash of light erupts across the battlefield, then a thunderous explosion. The tank is engulfed in flames, its fate sealed in a single, devastating strike. What were the Ukrainian forces hiding behind the bushes? This Russian FPV drone found it, and the howitzer was immediately destroyed. On the front lines of Ukraine, a BTR-80 becomes the target. With deadly precision, an FPV drone races toward it, and within seconds, success. The armored vehicle is completely destroyed. This is the new face of modern warfare. Eyes in the sky never miss. A Lancet loitering munition from the Vostok group of forces struck and destroyed an American-made 155mm M198 howitzer hidden within a forested area in the Dnipropetrovsk region. Spotted by aerial reconnaissance, the target was swiftly locked on. One precise hit, and the powerful gun was left shattered and smoking amidst the trees. Day and night, the troops of the center group wage relentless assaults, hunting down enemy infantry and armored vehicles across the front. Supporting the advance, strike drone operators unleash precision attacks, their drones diving toward targets with deadly accuracy. The footage captures moments of destruction. Ukrainian and NATO-supplied equipment shattered in explosions, fortified positions leveled, and heavy drone bombers along with communication systems obliterated in a single coordinated strike on October 13th. Hunters in the sky. An FPV drone strike by Russian troops took out a Ukrainian tank in the Kharkiv region. The footage captures the moment the drone locks onto its target, racing low and fast before detonating on impact. The tank engulfed in flames, reduced to a wreck of twisted metal and smoke. Silent hunters at work. In the Ivanopil area, reconnaissance units from the 1194th Regiment of the 4th Brigade uncovered a Ukrainian mortar nest in the Konstantinovsk direction. Acting swiftly alongside the Sever Akhmat Regiment, they delivered a powerful strike that wiped out the position and ended its activity in seconds. In the Dnipropetrovsk region, Russian artillery struck and destroyed a Ukrainian UAV control center, the nerve hub behind numerous drone launches. The powerful barrage obliterated the facility, severing communications and grounding enemy drones across the sector. From that moment, Ukrainian eyes in the sky went dark. First, Russian forces tracked a HIMARS launcher as it entered a hangar. With careful calculations, an Iskander ballistic missile was deployed and launched at the target. Look at that destruction. What is this unit doing? It turns out they are preparing the Urugan multiple rocket launcher to destroy a temporary deployment site and Ukrainian military equipment in the Krasnolimansk direction, and the Urugan missiles truly caused destruction. The FPV drone team from Rubicon successfully surprised and destroyed hardware, fortifications, artillery weapons, ground-based robotic systems, communication system elements, and temporary deployment areas of the Ukrainian armed forces. On a scorched testing range, crews of the LUR's system unleash a new warhead in live trials against Ukrainian positions, the air ripping with the shock of impact as earth and metal are torn apart. Not far away, LARS teams conduct their own demonstration, sending another prototype screaming toward its target. In the Dnipropetrovsk region, Russian drone operators struck with precision, shattering a planned rotation of Ukrainian forces. Through aerial footage, a tank, an M113 armored personnel carrier, and several light vehicles are seen erupting in fire as the drones close in on their targets. Within moments, the convoy is reduced to wreckage, its advance halted, its presence erased from the battlefield. High above the Dnipropetrovsk Oblast, the silent eye of a Zala Z-16 drone from the East Group scans the terrain below. Through its lens, a Ukrainian Caesar self-propelled artillery system comes into view, its French-made chassis rumbling toward a firing position. Once it reaches its deployment point, the call is made. Moments later, a Zala Lancet strike drone streaks through the air, locking onto its mark. A flash, a burst of fire, and the Caesar is obliterated in a single. Steel and precision combined. In the Krasnoarmysky direction, the crew of a Russian T-80 BVM tank eliminated a camouflaged Ukrainian stronghold hidden within a forest belt. Guided by real-time UAV reconnaissance, the tankers delivered pinpoint fire from a range of 10 kilometers, 125mm shells, striking with unerring accuracy. Each shot counted, each blast precise, efficiency born from coordination between steel on the ground and eyes in the sky. That's all for today's update. Thanks for watching, and don't miss our upcoming videos.